And when the opportunity arose at Skyline, I applied and I kind of took it from there. I actually started as a forklift driver and worked my way up. I started in 2004, so I'm going on 17 years in September.
Well, I started Skyline when I graduated from high school, so I've been here 30 years. And I got into manufacturing to start with the shifts. I like the day shift. And then it progressed from running a small line to running the wrapper, making sure every pallet that left here had quality and was all correct. And then I slowly started asking, is there anything else I could learn? And eventually I became Assistant Operations Director.
I am the Marketing Director for Skyline. My role is to help assist the ladies in manufacturing here to grow the business and make sure that we're bringing in the revenue that we need to sustain the overall organization.
Well, I make sure all the lines have everything they need, make sure they got the people, the supplies, and they know what jobs they're running for the day and what their demands are, how many pallets they need to cover the customer's needs.
When it comes specifically to the production facility, I help Kim with the website, web store. I've been in manufacturing my whole career. The last two places that I worked, it was product manufacturing primarily, though. It was equipment, it was for profit, and so it just looked very different. The processes and the needs that we're meeting here in this manufacturing are different because it's not for profit, and a whole bigger sense of purpose when you're not simply, trying to make a profit.
I enjoyed manufacturing. I just continued to do more and more and take on more and more and learn more and more. And it's just a rewarding job. You're part of everything there is when you're in manufacturing. It's the world. It's supplying everything. So it's just kind of a fun, interesting, different. Nothing is ever the same every day. So if you're one of those people, it's just awesome.
Yeah, usually it's, you think it's more of a man's job. Actually here we probably have more females working than men.
And I guess when I started in my career, it was more of a man's world. And my advice would be not to be afraid of that, not to be afraid to, jump in and get dirty sometimes if you need to, or just really there's so much opportunity and so much reward.
I would say give it a try. I mean, there is such a different mindset, I believe, than there was in the past. I grew up knowing manufacturing is just hardcore, sweat, tears, but it's so much more than that. There's just different avenues. If you enjoy the shipping section in manufacturing, you can work in the shipping. If you enjoy the packaging or, doing that finished product, computers, wrapping, there's just this array of different things you can learn, and it's a rewarding job.
Definitely the people we work with, and supplying jobs for people with disabilities and making our customers happy.
Skyline is a little bit different because every day we come into work, we're working for not only supplying our customers and meeting their demands, we're also working to support our mission and help the individuals we serve. So we are working to create, we are a not-for-profit working to create a profit to support the individuals with disabilities throughout the community.
Yeah, working here, it's a clean facility, so you're not going home all grubby. We have air conditioning in parts of our buildings, so there's something for everybody. And you don't always have to do heavy lifting. You can do light manufacturing.
So one of the most rewarding parts of manufacturing here in Clinton, Iowa is that we're able to form solid relationships with other local manufacturers who we provide services for, whether it be co-packing, pick and pack, order fulfillment. And so we're an integral part of that network of manufacturing here in Clinton.